Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Install a custom launcher like Nova or Launchair and set it as default. Choose a launcher that supports icon packs, custom grids, and gestures. Open Launcher Settings and set your desktop grid to 5 by 6 for balance. Disable app labels to keep a minimalist look and reduce text clutter. Adjust icon size to 48 dp and set icon padding to 1/4 to align spacing. Use desktop margins to center content and create consistent edges on every page. Select an icon pack with uniform shapes and consistent color palette. Apply the icon pack and set icon size to 48 dp for consistent scale across the screen. Limit widgets to 1 or 2 per page and size them as 4 by 1 or 4 by 2 for structure. Use functional widgets like calendar or music for daily utility and quick access. Pick a high-resolution wallpaper and apply a subtle blur or gradient to reduce visual noise. Use solid accents or muted colors to highlight icons without overpowering them. Configure gestures to speed access and reduce visible icons on the desktop. Map swipe up to open the app drawer and map double tap to lock screen for convenience. Limit your layout to 3 pages maximum and place primary apps on the center page. Reserve side pages for widgets, folders, or themed collections for easy discovery. Create folders by grouping related apps and label them with short names or emojis. Export launcher settings and icon backups to cloud or local file to preserve your aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.